graded students. Today, I will be giving a demonstration on how to do your examination scripts. Remember these components when you are embarking on rehearsing your examination pieces. Pitch, pace, pause, power, intonations. Before we begin, we shall first do a very simple vocal warm-up to stretch out your mouth. Imagine that there is a gum in front of you. I want you to put the gum in your mouth. Chew on the gum. And as you chew the gum gets bigger and bigger. Is it getting bigger? It is so big that I can barely talk. Okay, once the gum is big enough, I want you to take off the gum, put it in wrapping paper, and throw it in the bin. Have you done that? Very good. Now we shall move on to the scripts. Grade 1. Windy Nights by Robert Louis Stevenson. Whenever the moon and stars are set, whenever the wind is high, all night long in the dark and the wet, a man goes riding by. Late in the night, when the fires are out, why does he gallop and gallop about? Whenever the trees are crying aloud and ships are tossed at sea, by on the highway low and loud, by at the gallop goes he. By at the gallop he goes, and then by he comes back at the gallop again.